I have purchased some new brace catches for this dungaree that I had made about 5.5 years ago. I made them, and like I said, I had only one pair of dungarees that fit my outsize at the time. I made them myself. I had a smaller pattern, and I used the technique of adding the extra sizes on by measuring out fabric and accordingly put new pattern lines in. So there's a bit of my technique. They fit very well, and I've got some new dungaree clamps for the lock on the braces, so they'll go onto that garment again, and my dungarees will be back in service again. I've lost a little bit of weight as well, which will help, so that's good. I like wearing them. There is, I think,